I think it was yesterday's program, I said, I think this hurricane is something to do with what Obama did a few days ago, gave the eulogy at Perez's funeral, and
in Israel.
He died 9/28. Is that right?
That's correct.
Yes.
You got
September 28th.
And okay, what happened on the day that former Prime Minister Perez died on 9/28? That is the day Hurricane Matthew began. It was formed on that day. It intensified when Israel was deleted from the press release because Obama did not want to admit that Jerusalem was in Israel.
That's right. And he went even a step further and said that Jerusalem was not just not in Israel. He went on record and said Jerusalem is on Palestinian land. This is the first United States American president ever to say that Jerusalem is Palestinian land on record.
I get this message back from William Koenig regarding Hurricane Matthew, and that my theory was that this is another sign of terrible storms that take place after we divide the land of Israel or do things against Israel. Mm-hmm. And then a day ago, as we're taping right now, the White House and State Department blasted Israel for 98 new homes that were permitted in Shiloh. So there again, our country rebuked Israel for building on their own land. Sounds familiar.
Wow.
And additionally, William Koenig says, the Gospel of Matthew focuses on the Jews with the lineage up to Jesus. So you have a hurricane named Matthew, and all of this happening. I really believe God's trying to speak to America, and we need to wake up. We need to wake up. But